Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Let's do an outfit of the day. And I went to a shopping mall. Later, I will explain. And I was thinking I am going to go biking, so I wear short pants under it, and it looks so lousy is the word. It looks so relaxed and so not stylish. It's like going out to buy soya sauce. So, but it's very, very comfortable, especially in summertime when you have a pair of pants. It just make the heat, your skin, and the whole body so comfortable. So I came to San Jose area, and I have something to do, and so I came here, and this place is Eastridge Shopping Center. I have been here when I first arrived in America. I think that is 25, 26, 27, almost 30 years ago. I came here, and I was so very impressed. And the shopping center was full of people, not as full as in Beijing, but the shopping center was full with beautiful products, little boutiques, and people are in such a good high spirit. I first arrived, and at the first couple of weeks, couple of months, I do not work, just arriving, so I discovered different areas. I remember there was one time I just took a bus, a public bus, from one end to the other, and this is as far as you can go for the bus stop. I stopped, discovered this place, and instantly fell in love. And it's just such a good energy in it. But today I came here in 2025, and there is almost nobody in. Same as a lot of shopping malls, shopping centers. There is not people. One thing, it's Thursday afternoon. Of course, there are less people. But even in the old days, during the week, there are a lot of people. I remember 20 years ago or 30 years ago, there was a trend that people goes to shopping center just for a walk and for getting sensory stimulation and do a walk as an exercise. And I thought that would be so fun at that time. But at that time I was walking, and I envied the people who did that. And I thought, I think I read it from an American newspaper, or a newspaper reporting American lifestyle. Retired people goes to mall, or some people goes to mall, shopping mall, to see it, and it's just so, I so envy it. Now today I went there, there's nobody, and on the one side there is something very cool that I can even do an outfit of the day. I can admire the beautiful equally, not any less beautiful, the products. It's just nobody there. It feels so a little bit eerie, don't you think so? And it's a functioning shopping mall, but not not enough customers, not enough people. I wonder how they generate their revenue. See, the products is so pretty, and they have everything you can even think about. I was silly enough to do an outfit of the day, and this time I took off my pants and wear a pair of sunglasses. Still, it's quite an old style styling and very comfortable. It's a cotton, black and white. My earring is black and white dots, and everything just so comfortable. It's not like going to a shopping center, you dress up. I just enjoy my moment. Anyway, so seeing the shopping mall become so nobody, it's kind of makes me to think time has changed. People goes online shopping, and people dress up prettier and eat better and do activities more. Our life is improved comparing with 20 years ago, 30 years ago. Our life is really improving, and not going to shopping mall is not a sign that our life living standard decreased. No, not that. It's just people have different interest, different activity, and these kind of shopping malls needs a regeneration, needs a revival, needs a moment of pivot, make into entertainment center, a huge entertainment center, restaurant, swimming pool, and ice skating ring, and game room, and all these will make this place so much more lively and interesting. I remember in Minnesota and Minneapolis, I went to Minneapolis, and the capital, there is a Capitol Mall, Nicole Street or something. And there used to be a huge shopping mall in that area, and they transferred it into a YMCA, into a gym. And I think that's a very, very good idea. And we do need to follow the trend. I don't know how other architectural designers, city planners thinking about this. These are very precious place, make into a library, make into something that improve our life and upgrade our life. This may not be so much of the interest of real estate developers, because there is less, maybe still a good interest. They can sell rent, right? Renting to different kind of facilities. It's just retail sale is not that much attractive, but there are other activities. And also this place is kind of a center of communication, transportation. There are many bus routes connecting it. Well, people are using less of the bus. When I first arrived here, I take bus, and then now I am driving there. So, but they have a huge parking lot and huge land. Yeah, maybe maybe you can put in the comment and think about from our people's point of view, from users' point of view, from people who living a life point of view, not so much thinking about an investment. Of course, you can think about the investment, but from your point of view, how you would suggest these shopping malls transfer into. It's not that. It's not the end. It's time for a change. I'm just interested in how many ideas we as people, as ordinary persons, can think about. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Goodbye. Bye. Oh, yeah. Just a last point. I sought a pair of pants, and it's very comfortable. I was thinking of buying it, and then I had I didn't buy it at that moment. I was thinking maybe give myself some time to look, so I went out and went to another shop, and they sell pants so cheap, unbelievable. $8 a pair of pants and $22 three pair of pants, and the price competition makes me think it's not worthy because of the cheap price. It's actually stopped me from buying one thing new, and seeing so cheap, so inexpensive, and so pretty products makes me think. I don't know what made me to think. It just, at that moment, I was thinking, not worthy. It's better to have less than more. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Goodbye. Bye.